Welcome to Gariautocare team, where right now I have Prado Land Cruiser. This vehicle has a problem with handbrake light and ABS. The check engine. So we have a lot of dashboard lights. See, check engine, ABS, four-wheel. Then we have handbrake. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. Okay, I'm going to use here, I have a launch tablet. I'm going to diagnose this vehicle so that we find up the main fault code. It's still scanning. It's a 16 pin. ABS has 3 fault code, cruise control has 2, then 3 on the engine. So let's confirm we are on the ABS unlock brake system. So under unlock brake system, let's find out. The problem is C0210 C0210, which is a rear speed sensor circuit. Then we have rear speed sensor circuit left. So then we have low battery positive voltage or abnormal. We are going straight to the main actuator from the first socket, and we find out we have a lot of corrosion on those pins. This vehicle was submerged in water, just why I'm doing this. So we are going step by step from this socket to the ABS sensors of rear side. So we have a lot of corrosion, so I'm going to use choke cleaner and thinner to make sure all those pins are clean. See, look at that ABS. So I'm going to clean like that to make sure all the pins are clean. That's the first thing we can do. Now pins are clean, look. So let's wait to dry, then we plug in. Another thing, we are going in the cabin. We have another socket on the passenger side. This is the socket I'm talking about. Even this socket, we have a little corrosion on those pins, so we are going to clean that pins to make sure there's not any pin with corrosion. After cleaning that socket, we have another socket on the top of the tank under the rear seats. Let me show you. It's here. Look, we have a lot of corrosion here and rust, so we are going to clean that socket. Look, those are the main causes. I'm going to make sure those sockets are okay. After doing that, then finally we are going to the rear sockets. Look, now we are done with all joints. We have another final joints here. We need to make sure all those sockets, ABS sockets on the rear and right and left wheel are okay. So right now we have make sure every joints are free from corrosion. So we are going back to the so that we clear the code. But before we clear the code, look at the dashboard. The ABS, the handbrake is gone, meaning that was the main problem of the ABS. See, so we are going to identify the check engine. The check engine is P0031, which is oxygen stroke air fuel ratio circuit. When you are dealing with oxygen, the first thing we need to do is I'm going to remove that oxygen sensor, bang 1 sensor 1, like that. After removing that sensor, I'm using my multimeter to see if that sensor is okay. According to the multimeter, the sensor is okay. So the problem is not the sensor, the problem maybe is the wiring. So in this socket we don't have ignition, so this is the main culprit here. So I'm going to make sure all fuses are okay. That's the first culprit. The inside cabin, all fuses were okay. On this bonnet we have one fuse which air to fuel heater. Let me show you this one. This is the main culprit I suspected, so we had to replace with a new fuse. After doing that, we had to go back and see, right now we have ignition on the ABS socket, so we are going to clear that code from the system to see if that was the main problem. So right now we have dealt with all those codes, and that's how we deal with any given vehicle, and that's how you can handle any given vehicle. So right now we don't have any fault code on the system. Let me start the vehicle. See, everything's working perfect. No ABS, no handbrake, no check engine. So the only thing remains airbag. That one I'm going to show you in another episode. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.